The Robotics Inventors Club is a groundbreaking concept that puts the power of inventing intelligent robots in the hands of children. Students are given the opportunity to build robots that can solve real-world problems. And joining me now are two members of the club, Ian and Joey, and their mentor, Anthony Nunez from Infamous Robotics. He's here as well. Thank you all for coming in.
Thanks for having us.
Well, congratulations. I'm so excited about your invention. You all created a robot called RV. How did this come into being?
Well, we started at summer camp, the Infamous Robotics summer camp, and we all just kind of came together in a club, and we put ideas on a piece of paper, and we all voted, and we picked this.
So what does your robot look like, Ian?
Well, it kind of looks like a shopping cart, but with a ton of wires and gadgets all over it. I mean, it's just made out of wood, and it can travel. It will guide the person through the stores.
Oh, there's a video of it right now. All right, so this is designed to assist people at the grocery store. Who will it help?
Visually impaired people mostly.
And how does it work? So do you have to program it? What exactly does it do?
Well, it will follow this black line placed on the floor of the supermarket. So when sensors on the bottom pick up the black line, the robot will move forward, guiding the visually impaired person through the store.
Very nice. Now, does the robot speak? What else does the robot do?
It'll stop once it sees a specific barcode on the floor, and it'll beep for the number of aisle it's in. For example, it'll stop and beep twice for aisle 2.
Ah, very nice. Now, has this been put into motion at all? Have you all used it at all, Anthony?
We haven't conducted any real-world testing as of yet. They just recently got done presenting at the Smithsonian, so that went really well.
At the Air and Space Museum?
Yes.
I bet that was exciting.
Yeah, it was really fun to see the kids. They were alongside some college robot teams as well, so it was very interesting to see these elementary school kids presenting their idea there.
So tell me how you came up with the concept. Did you sit the young people down and just say, what are the needs out there? What is something that hasn't been done yet?
Yeah, so we all sat down. I asked them to come up with some ideas, and the only constraint I gave them is that let's build a robot to help people. Let's try to make this world a better place. And they came up with a lot of ideas that ranged from everything from underwater subs to this idea. They all voted as a team, and they chose this.
Yes, and so the problem with being impaired, visually impaired, when you're at the supermarket is what that you wanted the robot to address?
We wanted it to be able to help guide people, assist them with shopping. So this was the first part, being able to guide them through the aisles, avoiding people, avoiding running into things, and then notifying them of where they are in the store.
So it's going to take some cooperation from the actual store itself to put down the markings on each aisle.
Yes, and one of the things that the club set out to do was make it a solution that would be a real-world solution, something that the store wouldn't have to configure their floors too much more to adapt to.
How soon could we actually see something like this being used?
Very quickly. I would say probably in the next couple of years something like this could be implemented.
Are you all presenting this to other companies so that they could develop it further? What's happening now?
What's happening now is we're looking to get further sponsorships so that we can continue on development. These kids have great ideas for improving it, one of them being going to voice commands and voice output rather than just beeping. So they have a lot of exciting ideas, and we're hoping that we can continue with this.
Well, congratulations to you both, Ian and Joey. You've done a fantastic job, and we'll be right back with more LTL in just a moment.